In this tutorial I will show you how to set up flash alerts for notifications. If you'd like to receive flash alerts for notifications on your Android device, here's how to set it up. First, open the Settings app on your device. Once inside the Settings menu, scroll through the options and look for Notifications. Tap on it to open the notification settings. In this menu, a few options will appear. Look for and tap on the Flash Notification option. Next, you'll see another setting for Camera Flash Notification. Tap on it to access the Flash Alert feature. Turn on the toggle next to the Camera Flash Notification option to enable it. From now on, your phone will flash its camera light every time you receive a notification, making it easier to notice incoming alerts. And that's it. You've successfully set up flash alerts for notifications on your device.